Hi, I'm Matt the Carpenter. I'm a new journeyman in British Columbia. We're currently building a passive house up in Squamish, British Columbia, which is about 40 minutes away. Let's take a look at what we learned the first week. This is what we're working with here now. We got started on yesterday. These are going to be the footings for the house. And this bank over here, you can see it's pretty tight excavation. And we're going to be coming down this line. There's like a 4-foot jog at the end there, then it comes back this way. And so we're going to be really tight. So we're actually going to spend the morning hand digging out a good portion of this. So we finished digging out this trench down here. We got all the, we got it deeper than we needed to be for insulated concrete forms. The footings all the way around have to be within 1/4 inch apparently of level.
I thought you were talking to me.
Stuck in the camera, Steve. So our next step is we have that laser set up over there on the tripod. We're gonna walk around with a reader. And we're gonna get them set up and basically get them all leveled. So we went around and we got just about all the forms set up. There's a few little spots left. So now we're gonna go back around and just kind of tweak them a little bit to make sure they're all perfectly level. Hey, so it's another Bluebird day in Squamish and we have all the footings in and now we're tying rebar because we have a rebar inspection this morning. Me and Ryan are here, coming into Vancouver ICF today, the training center. We are, for the formwork we're going to be doing, we need to make
sure. 14.5. So we got two options where we can put the marriage line here, right?
Oh yeah, concrete day. Got everybody ready. Got the boom truck showing up. All the footings ready to go. So we finally got all the footings done, all the concrete is in, and we troweled them so they're nice and level. These are some really nice looking footings. So these 2x10s that we use, 2x8s, 2x10s, we leveled them all to the same elevation all the way around the site. So when we go to strike the concrete off, we just put our trowel on it and move it back and forth, and it keeps that level. With the insulated concrete forms, the concrete needs to be within 1/4 of an inch of level with the rest of the site for it to work properly. So it's pretty accurate at the beginning. And look at these guys. ICF just arrived. Okay, concrete is all cured up now for the first day. Just gonna come back and strip the forms. Oh yes, got them all stripped off. Look at how clean this site looks. Pretty wicked. So the surveyors just came and they gave us some new pins on the corners once we already poured our footings, and they gave us an elevation for the whole site. You can see that. Those are the corners of the buildings. Ryan's out snapping some lines right now for the outside walls. Good. And if you look on here, this is a laser that reads whether or not you're level or not. And from the top of this piece of plastic to that line is the top of slab that we want, and the top piece of that plastic is how much variation we had. So over the whole site we're about a 1/16 off, which is pretty awesome. Yep. Alrighty, so now we have all of our wall lines snapped. So all the black lines that you see are for the ICF, the outside of foam. And we've done an extra feature where we added clear coat spray over top, just to make sure that they don't get washed away when it rains. Hopefully it doesn't rain.